Springs 1037. Go ahead. Disregard, he finally pulled over. It's gonna be a green motorcycle. Pulled over here at Airport and Lakeshore. Get off the motorcycle now. Get off.
Man, I got
Get off the fucking.
Man, so hold on now.
Get off the motorcycle.
I'm disabled, man. Chill out.
You're the one that ran.
Ran? I just came through here.
Put your hands on the fucking hood right now. Put your hands on the fucking hood.
Man,
Put your hands on the hood.
580,
580 Henry Victor 580 HP. Hands on the fucking hood.
What the hell?
You literally threw your hands up on me, like fuck you, and then you cut through traffic.
You pulling me over for?
You're going 70 in a 45. Man, that was a warning, but now you're going to jail. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your fucking back.
I'm asking you, please. Man, come on, man. I just left my daughter's fucking thing, dude. I cannot do this. Please, I'm begging you. Please. Will you call my wife? Hey, man, help me out, man. We were literally just in the same classroom together, dude. I mean, come on, man. I didn't run from you, bro. Like, I pulled in here to come stop for you.
Get in there.
Man, come on, dude. I'm disabled, man. I can't.
Do you want me to throw you in there, or do you want to step up in there?
I've got 24 screws in my shoulder over here. Hold on, man. Like, shit. I wasn't trying to run from you.
Okay.
I promise you that.
Put in there.
Can you call my...
He's 215. Go ahead and start 1011 for the motorcycle. Appreciate it.
I thought you were coming through here. I was going to head him off.
I was trying to, but I can't. Like, that car's over there blocking it.
Oh, really? I knew. He passed me and he was going to...
Yeah. Well, I mean, I lit him up. He looked back at me and went and hit that left lane, and then he cut through traffic.
He was just... You know, I was just in Valentine's State Park.
Yeah.
He was in the same classroom. I don't know if it's his daughter or what.
Yeah. Deal by number one.
They're towing 1019, go over there 1031.
903 717 046. 903 717 046. Unless it's pertinent information, though.
Just westbound, let's say, motorcycle.
What's the last four of that VIN? So I can confirm.
0065.
Simple. Confirm.
Simple.
God, I would die.
Why'd you cut through all the rocks where I can't drive?
I didn't know this was gravel. I switched in here. Yes, I was driving fast. But I promise to God, dude, I was not running from you.
Okay. We'll let the judge decide that then.
Please don't take me to jail.
You're going to jail.
Why?
For fleeing.
I did not flee.
Really? So you go to the left lane, cut through in front of traffic where I can... Hey,
Just-
shut up, let me talk.
Brother.
I'm not going to argue with you.
Look, man, please call my wife.
Nope, you're going to jail.
Please.
Nope.
Please, dude,
Nope.
man, I don't have any fucking thing.
Cool.
Come on, bro.
Don't bro me. You're the one that cut someone off just to come in here.
Run, man.
All right, that's for a judge to fucking figure out.
Man, please don't take me to jail.
You're going to jail.
Please, I cannot afford this.
Shouldn't have ran.
Disability bad.
Shouldn't have ran.
God, oh my gosh. Please call my wife.
Nope.
What do
You can make phone calls when you get to the jail.
I'm gonna talk to Judge Mahoney.
Okay. You can talk to Judge Mahoney all you want.
Man, come on, dude. Like I worked for the county here for years, dude.
Okay.
Please, I'm asking you. Please.
No, you're going to jail.
For what?
Fleeing.
I did not flee.
Okay. So, once again, you go from the inside lane and instead of pulling over into an easy parking lot right there for speeding.
I just got this bike finished.
Okay. It's getting towed. You're going to jail.
No, I do not consent to towing.
Okay. You don't have to consent.
Please. Then tow it to my house.
No.
Man, I cannot afford this.
That shouldn't have ran.
I didn't run, man.
Okay. That's
If I would have ran, you wouldn't have caught me. Dude, I pulled over in this parking lot. I did not know this was gravel.
So you cut between two vehicles from the left lane to pull over instead of pulling over into that big lot right there and the big lot back there.
I'm on a motorcycle, man.
Okay.
I can just whip right into these places.
Okay, well, you're going to jail.
Man, that's wrong, dude.
All right.
Man, come on, dude.
Yeah, you don't come on, dude, me.
Man,
You were the one that fled from
at
me.
least call my wife and tell her to come get where I'm at. Please.
No.
She's gonna freak out, man.
Okay, you make phone calls when you get jail.
Man, this is wrong.
So you're going 20 miles over the speed limit. I go to pull you
I
over.
will take my ticket.
Well,
please.
you're going to jail.
Why?
For
I
fleeing.
did not flee from you, man.
Oh. All right.
There was no fleeing.
Okay.
30 feet? I whipped around in the other lane, come over and whipped in here? Come on, dude.
I'm not arguing with you. That's what court's for. I don't know if you noticed this isn't a courtroom.
That's what the law is for.
Okay. The law says if you fail to pull over.
To anything that you're doing.
Okay. You don't have to consent.
It doesn't matter. I know the law too.
Okay.
Then don't do this, man.
Do what?
Take me to jail,
For
dude.
fleeing? Yeah, I'm going to take you to jail for fleeing.
Why?
Because you fled.
I did not flee.
Okay.
Dude, this is crazy. Please call my wife.
I don't have to. You can call your wife when you get to jail.
I'm asking you.
And I told you multiple times now, no.
Please.
No.
Man. Come on, bro.
Don't bro me.
I'm not, man. Dude, you ain't got to be an ass to me, man.
You didn't have to
I
run.
didn't fucking flee from you.
Okay.
I didn't.
If that's what you believe, that's what you believe.
No,
you're going to jail for fleeing.
Believe. That's because you're a fucking asshole, man.
Okay.
That's between you and Jesus, man. Stealing my damn motorcycle.
Not stealing it.
Yeah, you are.
Okay. Towing it because you're under arrest.
No, you're towing it because
You're under arrest.
Something you thought that I did was flee.
Okay.
That's wrong, dude.
That's not wrong when
Yes,
you're
it is
fleeing.
very wrong.
Okay. When you cut in between traffic to get through a parking lot to try to prevent me from getting following you,
I didn't know this
that's
was
fleeing.
gravel.
Okay.
I wouldn't have pulled in here.
So you would have pulled into the big parking lot back there?
Yes. No, it's gravel.
The big liquor store? That's literally right there within an eye?
That far away. This parking lot right here is gravel across from right here.
The one right next to it is a paved parking lot.
Light me up till right over there.
I lit you up on the bridge.
Dude. I didn't flee from you.
Okay.
I'm not that person.
All right.
You can ask anybody. I'm not that person, dude.
Good for you.
Then why are you making me out to be like this?
I'm not making you out to do anything.
So much drama that I don't have the money for, man.
Shouldn't have fled.
I was just with that guy right there in the same classroom.
Okay.
With my daughter.
Okay. Shouldn't have fled.
I did not flee, man. I promise, dude.
Okay. Well, you did, but
I did
okay.
not. I did not. Is Sheriff Fox on duty? Can you call Sheriff Fox over here?
No.
Man.
I don't know if he's working. I don't work for Garland County.
Y'all are supposed to be here to protect and serve, man.
You didn't have to run.
I didn't do anything wrong. Okay, yes, I was speeding. I'm sorry. I apologize for that. I got a clean driving record, man.
Oh, that is a lie.
I do not have nothing on my driving record. No.
I'm looking at your record. Try to tell me that you have a clean record.
Dude, there's nothing on my driving record right now. As far as insurance goes.
I don't care about what insurance. Last time I checked, I ain't no insurance company.
I cleaned my life up a long time ago, dude. And you're gonna do this, man? Please.
Do what? You're the one that fled. You're going to jail. You fled.
I did not flee, man.
Okay. So you didn't cut in between two vehicles from the left-hand lane, and then cut through multiple
dude, I just did
rocks so I couldn't follow you.
Parking lot.
You literally drove through the rocks to get over here.
Because I thought it was.
Because I couldn't follow you.
I did not know that was a one-way in. I don't come this way this often, man. Dude, there's medications that I have to take.
Then tell the jail.
Dude. This how much is my bail?
I don't know. I have to get there and put it all together.
This is wrong. Yo, you're robbing me.
I ain't robbing nothing. You're the one that ran.
I did not run from you.
Okay. You can believe that all you want, but that's not what happened.
You're a lying son of a bitch, man.
Okay. Well, camera says something different.
Man. And you won't even call my wife?
I don't have to. I don't know why I would run from the police.
I didn't run from the fucking police, man.
Okay.
I have no reason to run.
That's why I'm confused why I ran from the police.
I didn't run.
Okay.
What the fuck, dude?
Like, you literally looked at me, wove me off, hit the left-hand lane, then cut back.
Man, why are you pulling me over, man?
You literally wove me off, got in the left-hand lane.
That means come on.
You wove at me like, that's not come on. You wove at me, wove me off, and then you cut across.
Ain't the same. My shoulder does not work like yours. And I please wish you take these handcuffs and put them in front. Because if you knew what was going on with my arm over here, you would take them off.
Probably not.
I promise you.
Probably not.
Oh, yeah, you would.
No, probably not.
Yeah, you would, because I'm going to sue you for it now.
Okay.
18,060.
I'm asking you, please. I have medical problems, man.
Okay. Well, you're not being any type of straightforward, because I don't know what those medical problems is. You can say medical problems all you want, but I don't care. Oh, sir. Went to light them up at the bridge. He looked back at me. Came down here, hit the left-hand lane, cut through traffic to try to get through here, went through the rocks, and then David blocked him in right here. Oh.
Exceeding speed limit?
Yeah, he's doing 65.
Felony for?
Oh, no. No, when he finally looked back at me, because he's on mirrors, when he finally looked back at me, he was already slowing down with traffic. So I don't have enough for felony fleeing. I got misdemeanor fleeing, but he's going to jail.
You watched it, I didn't.
Yeah.
But it says exceeds the speed limit.
Yeah, but that's if he flees. He didn't speed.
All me and I'm caught up. I'll wait on you.
I appreciate it.
I didn't do anything, search anything.
No, jump box, bag with contents. I'll keep that. Wallet. Keys. Yeah.
Stay with it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. Yeah, I mean, there ain't nothing in here.
Okay.
I dumped it. But they match. Everything matches.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
Jump box, content, a black backpack.
Yep.
Got it. Is the VIN in the notes?
It should be with the 28. I'll send over to you.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
No. No.
I want to speak to your sergeant.
Okay. You can call my sergeant once you get done.
No, I want to talk to you. That's please.
Nope.
Please. Hey, will you please call my wife? Somebody please call my wife. Look, dude, I was not running from you, man. I promise you that.
Oh, if it's in the notes, I'll find it. You go ahead and go.
Yeah, I don't think it is.
Okay. I'll figure it out.
What? Hey, I want my bike towed to my house.
Nope.
Don't tow it to no fucking tow yard.
It's going to a tow yard.
No, man. Don't leave my shit here like that. They'll steal that shit around here.
16.
16, 16. Go ahead.
98 here, 1019 county jail, 1 mil 15. 18 is going to be standing by for 1011.
Get my phone.
I got your phone, wallet, and keys.
You get the rest of my, you get my backpack and shit?
Backpack staying with the motorcycle.
What the fuck?
18 Springs, when you get a chance, who is it? Thank you.